Good morning to one and all for the today's session. I welcome you all for the today's session. Today I will be dealing with exhaust system. Okay. In exhaust system, what is exhaust system? You all can see the sketch over here. You all can see the sketch, and this is the diesel engine. Okay. This is the diesel engine. You all can see this diesel engine. Okay. And the exhaust manifold. These are the very important things. Okay. In this. Okay. So an exhaust system is designed to carry the smoke and products of combustion from the engine for discharge into atmosphere. Another function of exhaust system is to reduce the noise level of the exhaust that is created due to firing action and sudden expansion of gases in the engine cylinders. Okay. Uh, So next, the engine cylinder's exhaust lines are connected to an exhaust manifold. You all can see this exhaust manifold. Okay, exhaust manifold above the cylinder head. Exhaust manifold temporarily acts as a collection of point for exhaust gases. From the exhaust manifold, the line is connected to the silencer. You all can see this silencer. Okay, this silencer or muffler which reduces noise level. The gases from the silencer are then discharged to the atmosphere. Okay, you can see this with silencer. You can see the gases will be going outside to the atmosphere. So function of exhaust system is combustion inside the engine cylinder takes place under high pressure and temperature. This creates high level noise, which is an exhaust system is provided with an silencer so that noise is reduced to tolerable level, and products of combustion from IC engine contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur and other objectionable gases which are major air pollutants. Exhaust system is necessary to discharge these flue gases. You all can see this flue gases outside. I have shown here at high level. High pressure gases lead to vibrations in piping system. These gases lead to this in piping systems. You all can see in this piping system it leads to vibration. Exhaust system is provided with flexible pipes. You all can see this flexible pipes. Okay, you all can see the flexible pipes are connected. Okay, here and with the joints and all that. Okay, to overcome the vibrations. To increase overall efficiency of the plant, the air and oil supplied to the engine are preheated. Okay. Next, engine fuel system. Engine fuel system, in this fuel is delivered. Fuel is delivered to the plant tanker and stored in the bulk storage. You all can see this bulk storage. Fuel is what I say, fuel is delivered to the plant tanker and stored in the this bulk storage. Okay, situated outdoors for the sake of safety. Okay, from this the main fuel tank transferred to the daily consumption tank by transfer pump through filter through the filters. Okay, through the filters. Capacity of daily consumption tank should be at least 8 to 12 hours requirement of the plant. This tank is located either above the engine level. You all can see this engine. Okay, above the engine level so that the fuel flows by gravity to injection pump, or below this engine. Okay, below this engine level, and fuel oil is delivered to the injection pump by transfer pump driven from engine shaft. And function of this fuel injection system are to deliver the oil for storage to the fuel injections. You all can see this fuel injections. Okay, fuel injections, that is filter, which fuel is the function of this fuel injection is to filter the fuel. And second one, to raise the fuel pressure to level required to automation, that is metered. or measured quantity to measure and control the amount of fuel which is admitted in each cycle. In each cycle it is admitted. Okay, in each cycle it is admitted. That is nothing but to what it does, metered or measured quantity of fuel to be injected. uh, to raise fuel pressure level to required automation, to control the time of injection, control the rate of fuel injection, property distribute the fuel in combustion chamber. These are all the functions of fuel injection system. Next we'll be dealing with engine fuel injection system. And this, what is injection fuel system? Fuel injection system. What is fuel injection system? First of all, we'll discuss. So fuel injection system is the mechanical heart of diesel engine. Okay, fuel injection system is the mechanical heart of the diesel engine. Fuel injection automizes the diesel and injects measured quantity of diesel into the engine cylinder at the end of the compression stroke. Automized diesel then mixes with hot air and get ignited. Okay, get ignited. Proper mixing of fuel with air is essential for the efficient power output from engine. So first of all, you all can see the diesel engine. You all can see this. The diesel fuels injection systems are of how many types? Two types. In the under that, air injection system and airless or solid injection system. Okay. So first of all, we'll be dealing with air injection system. This is the air injection system sketch. Okay, you all can see this. In this system, initially fuel is pumped. Fuel is pumped into injector, and then high pressure compressed air is about high pressure compressed air. You all can see this high pressure compressed air about a pressure of 50 to 70 bar is supplied to the nozzle. This is the nozzle. To the nozzle it is supplied. You all can see this nozzle. Okay, it is supplied to the nozzle with the pressure of 50 to 70 bar. Okay, which injects the diesel into engine cylinder, which injects, you all can see this injection points, which injects the diesel into engine cylinder. Airflow valve and fuel supply valve to the injector are operated by these cams. Okay, by these cams connected to camshaft, connected to the crankshaft through timing gears and camshaft. Pressure developed is hot, is very not pressure developed in this system is not very high. So this system is not probably in recent days is used. This air injection system is not used in the recent. Okay, so next we'll be dealing with airless or this second one, airless or solid injection system. Okay, what is airless or solid injection system? In this system, diesel you all can see, in this system diesel is injected into engine cylinder to a very high pressure about 100 to 150 bar using a plunger. You all can see following the important methods, that is unit. In this you all can see in the previous slide here, unit injection system, under which under airless it comes. Unit injection system, individual pump system, pump injection, distributor injection system, and common rail system. So first we'll be discussing about unit injection system. In this unit injection system, in this injector consists of this plunger. You all can see this plunger. Okay, connected to the spring. These are the springs. Okay, these are the springs, and the rocker arm. This is the rocker arm. This whole system is a rocker arm. Okay, or you all can see this push rod. Okay, mechanism, and cam as shown in figure. Cam operated by time gears gives motion to push rod, which operates this rocker arm. This rocker arm is operated. Okay, operates the rocker arm. In turn, the rocker arm pushes the plunger. You all can see this position. With the help of this rocker arm, the plunger is pushed down. The plunger down. The plunger pressurizes the fuel in injector barrel, and the fuel is injected into the engine cylinder, and the fuel is injected into this injected into this engine cylinder, you all can see. Okay, there is a spring loaded delivery valve in the nozzle which gets actuated by the increased oil pressure in the injector barrel. The spring at the top of the injector brings back the plunger to its upper position or to its original position. This plunger is brought to the original position after the operation. Now the fuel pump and the pump pumps the fuel to the injector. Next, we'll be discussing about the pump injection system or individual pump injection system. Okay, in this what comes? Pump injection system. What is pump injection system? In this system, individual pumps are provided. You all can see this. Individual pumps are provided. Okay, to supply the fuel oil under high pressure to fuel injection. Okay, pumps in the system are individually operated by cams mounted on a camshaft. You all can see this, mounted on the camshaft. This is the pump camshaft, you all can see. Arrangement is made such that the pump operates so as to inject the oil at the required injection time for ignition in the engine cylinder. Similarly, all pumps operate at different timings corresponding to fuel injection timing of their connected nozzles. You all can see this connected nozzles. You all can see this. These are the nozzles, connected nozzles to the with the pipelines. Okay, are supplied through high pressure fuel lines to the nozzle pumps, measure fuel charge and control the injection timing. Okay, these are the system. Okay, next we'll be discussing about distributor injection system. What is distributor injection system? In this system, a primary pump pumps the fuel oil. You all can see this primary pump. Okay, this primary pump you all can see, which I have rounded up here, which is connected to the oil tank. Okay, in this system, the primary pump pumps the fuel oil from the main tank, that is oil tank, this oil tank, from the main tank to metering and pressure pump. The metering pump supplies, this metering pump you all can see here, metering pump supplies to correct quantity of fuel to the distribution block. This is the distribution block you all can see here. This is the square block which is a distribution block under high pressure. Purpose of distribution block in this system is to distribute high pressure oil to nozzles for corresponding injection timing. Distributor is operated by cams mounted. You all can see these cams you all can see below here, cams mounted on a camshaft. Camshaft is driven by the engine through suitable gearing arrangement. Okay, next we'll be discussing about common rail injection system. So what is common rail injection system? We all can see the sketch. In this system, the fuel from the main tank is supplied by a single pump under high pressure. Single pump with a high pressure to the header or a common rail. From common rail, fuel lines are connected to the nozzles in the cylinder. The fuel supply to each cylinder is regulated. Fuel supply to each cylinder is regulated by mechanical push rod. Okay, mechanical push rod and rocker arm arrangement where plunger controls the entry of pressure fuel to the nozzles. You all can see this nozzles also here, and high pressure. You all can see this relief valve, which is also known as mechanical valve or a push rod. Okay, thank you for the today's session. If you have any doubts, you can discuss with me. Okay.